Joe! Cian! Come back! Deliveries!
Well, that was fun. Time to go home.
Joe, aren't you forgetting your deliveries?
That's right. Wait here.
Bye-bye, Joe. Bye.
Here, a bucket.
Joe, that bucket has a flower in it.
Huh?
That bucket has a flower in it.
Flower.
Yes, it does have a flower in it.
Hey, hurry back up.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Claire, what do you do with the bucket?
I want to put sand in the bucket.
Hands up. Hands up. I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah!
I couldn't.
Hello, horsey. Do you know where Rory is? No?
Joe, that is not a bed for a horse.
Oh. Horse shampoo.
Good shop.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh.
Oh dear.
Oh, I'm wet.
What's going on?
The horse is clean. Now can we go horse riding?
No, you have to change your clothes.
Oh dear. The
Evan is a great painter. But Sonny is really good.
What did you say? Okay. Joe, do you want to go skating?
Evan put the trucks and wheels on my skateboard, and now I'm ready to skate.
All right there, Joe.
I think I need a drink.
Well, I think there's a cafe over there. I don't think there's any gas for the fizz.
Now the fish will come. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, oh. Fish. Oh, I love catching fish.
Careful.
Are you okay, Joe?
Now we can catch fish. Ah, let's go. I'm gonna make the video. Ah, I caught a fish! Ooh. What about you, Finny? Hey! Finny caught a fish!
Well done, Finian.
When we got back, we let the fish return home to the river.
Joe, while we're waiting for everyone else, let's practice our kicks.
Yes! Hey! This ball is soft.
We need a pump.
No, we don't. I'll fix it.
No. No.
Oh, we do need a pump.
Yes.
Wait here! Oh! Ha-ha! A pump!
Go, Joe. Go, Joe. Good job. Okay, Joe, it's time for training.
Hello, everyone. Come on.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Are you ready for training?
Yeah.
Let's play ball. €1,000 a week.
Ready? Ready?
Joe's bad and gone. Nah, that's best.
Look.
Right. You're all right.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Sophie, let's get the platform tidy for our special guest. Our special guest is coming here. We need to tidy up.
Yeah. Baby rabbit.
Let's love sign. Tidy up. Tidy up. You sign. Tidy up. Good. Tidy up.
We need to tidy up.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I have things to make it nice.
All right.
In there. Can you add this one? Hey, that's my shoe! Sophie, this picnic we made is amazing. Our special guest is going to love it.
Wow. Davis.
Welcome, Seamus.
Thank you. It looks amazing. Did you make this sandwich? Wow, you did. Wow. Thank you. It's amazing.
That's for you.
Thank you.
Can I have one?
This one. I made a mess.
Ugh.
It's so sandy.
Cheers, Mr. Train Driver. This is the way we eat our cake.
Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake. Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake all day long. Well, it's time to go.